We are a strong person. We are a qualityful person. We have a ability. We have a confidence. Assalamu alaikum. Good time to all of you. Also, good afternoon to our environment, to our place. I hope you are doing great. Alhamdulillah, I am fantastic. Also, I am cool. The reason why the weather is cool. Am I right? So today I am gonna share with you about emotion. Do you know emotion? Yes, emotion is the most of the powerful things. You know that? Yes, I know. Yes, emotion means, what is the emotion? Emotion is a interest. Emotion is a feelings. Emotion is a love. Emotion is a romantic. But here is a one condition. Do you know? Do you know what is the condition? The condition is number one. Emotion is two types. Number one, positive emotion. Number two, negative emotion. But maximum people, they choose negative emotion. That's why they can't do anything. They can't achieve anything. But everyone has emotion. But some people, they achieve the positive emotion. Also some people, they avoid positive emotion. So we have to select the right positive emotion. So I would like to share what is a positive emotion, what is a negative emotion. Would you like to see? Would you like to listen? Yes, I am here with you for sharing my opinion, right? Opinion. Okay, so where is my topic? My topic is emotion. So positive, what is the positive emotion? The positive emotion is like someone broke you. Like might be your friend, it might be your girlfriend, it might be about anything, your colleague, your brother. Someone broke you. At that time, if you think she broke me, maybe I don't do anything, I won't do anything. If you think that, you are totally wrong. Because of if you think negative emotion. But if you think he broke me for what, you have to find out your problem. You have to find out about the topic. Why she avoided you? Why she ignored you? Why she refused to? You have to find out. If you find out it, you can easily achieve your goal. You can easily recover it. But if you don't find out it, in contrast, if you think the negative emotion, you can't. If you think the next, if you think maybe I can't achieve anything, I can't I can't. She broke me. Why will I alive? Why will I alive in this world? If you think, you are totally wrong. The reason why we are not useless person. We are not useless person. We are a strong person. We are a qualityful person. We have a ability. We have a confidence. We have a strong power. We have a strength. But if you think that you are nothing, so you are totally wrong. Because of, as a human being, we are strong. We are powerful. We have to do it. You have to make positive emotion. If you feel positive emotion, after that you can easily achieve anything. Or if you follow the positive emotion. So I would like to say that please follow positive emotion, because the positive emotion can be help your for achieving your goal. The positive emotion can be make sure for your be a good career. The positive emotion can be make a good career, can be make your good family. So you should follow the positive emotion. If you follow the positive emotion, you can achieve anything. But if you don't follow the positive emotion, if you follow the negative emotion, so you are totally wrong. So please follow the positive emotion. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.